Hello and welcome to Asan Tutorials. In this video, I will teach you about the logical function if in Excel. For this function, I have created this project. We have roll number, student name, 3 subjects, science, math, English, and the marks obtained in the test. We will calculate total, average, and we have the attendance percentage of these students, and we will use this logical signs, these operators with if and or and not with if as well. So first we will calculate total. For calculating the total of these 3 subjects, we have to put equal sign, then sum, press tab to open parenthesis, and select science, math and English, close the parenthesis and press enter. Double click on this dot to apply this formula downward. This is the total for these students, so the formula is applied for each row. For average of these 3 subjects, we have to put equal sign, average, press tab to open parenthesis, select science, math and English, close parenthesis, press enter and apply the formula. This is the average for all these rows or these all students. Then we have this attendance for all these students. Now we will we will use the logical if function. First, with greater sign, put equal sign and if. So what does this function do? Checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. So put equal sign and then if, press tab to open parenthesis. We will say if it needs logical test, then value if true, value if false. If an average is greater than 50, comma, for true value we will put pass as the passes text. If we put any text for the true and false values, we have to put inside the double quote. So if that is false, then there should be fail. Average is not greater than 50, that's why it is fail. Average is greater than 50 and it is pass. We can use less than sign if average is less than 50, comma, fail, otherwise pass. So the same result with less than. For equal sign, we can put if average. This time I will say if average is equals to 91. If average is equals to 91, there should be very good. Otherwise there should be good. So this is not equals to 91, that's why it is good, and this is equals to 91, we have very good. And we can use less than or greater than sign for not equal to. If average is not equal to 91, there should be good, otherwise there should be very good. So we have the same result. I have put 90, I have to put 91. Now we have the same result with and not equal to. We can use and or and not with if as well. Put equal sign if and then put and open parenthesis. We can put multiple logics here. First I will say average greater than 50 and attendance greater than 60. Now we have mentioned two logical condition. If average is greater than 50 and attendance is greater than 60, if it is true, then there should be pass, otherwise fail. So this fail because the average is less than 50. This is pass because both attendance is greater than 60 and average is greater than 50. How can we use or? Put if open parenthesis and we can put or open parenthesis again. We can use multiple logical conditions. This time again I will say average greater than 50, attendance greater than, comma, attendance greater than 60, close parenthesis. And now time for value for if true. If this is true, pass, otherwise fail. How can we use not with if? Put if and put not, open parenthesis. This time we can use only one logical condition. We can use not as we have used less than sign. So we will say if not average greater than 50. For true value we will say if average is not greater than 50, there should be fail, otherwise there should be pass. We have the same result with using if and not. This is fail and this is pass. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.